Okay, this will be the second video on regular polygon review exercises. Question number 3 says, find the number of sides of regular polygon if each exterior angle is equal to its adjacent interior angle. In case of regular polygon, the exterior and the interior angles, they have some kind of relationship. I mean, there is general formula. Think of, as an example, pentagon. Okay, if it's regular, each angle are equal, so each angle can be found by the formula n minus 2 times 180 over n. And not only that, each exterior angle also equal. Exterior angle means when we extend one of the side, we can find external angle. That angle is exterior angle. So this is each angle when I say each interior. But each exterior angle, again, they are equal, then the formula is 360 over n. Keep this in your mind and see the question. It says, find the number of sides of regular polygon if each exterior angle is equal to its adjacent interior angle. That means these two formula equalize and solve it. That's the meaning. Okay, let's do it. First of all, let me equalize the two. N minus 2 times 180 over n is equal to 360 over n. N is the number of sides, so it cannot be 0, so we can cancel both sides because it's denominator. In case of two inequalities, if they are one term, we can cancel denominator and numerators even. And then what's left? N minus 2 times 180 is equal to 360. So what I can do is I can divide by 180 both sides. The reason to cancel out this one and n minus 3 remain, which is when you divide it, it's going to be 2, so shift the 2 to the right side, so n is equal to 4. So it must be square. It's a regular polygon. At the same time, each interior and exterior angle are equal, so that angle necessarily it must be square. We can proceed. And the second one, it says, what if each exterior angle is twice its adjacent interior angle? Okay, exterior angle is twice. That means again the exterior angle is 360 over n is equal to twice each interior angle, twice 2 times n minus 2 times 180 over n. Again the same process. Let us cancel n by n both sides, and 2 times 180, 360, so 360 is equal to, multiply this with this, outside, so 360 times n minus 2, both sides, if you divide by 360, this will be cancelled out, so n minus 2 is equal to 1, so n is equal to 3. That means that regular polygon is obviously, it should be a triangle. Okay, question number 4. It says, is it possible to construct a polygon whose sum of interior angle is 26 right angles? If yes, find the number of sides of the polygon. So, is it okay to construct a polygon whose sum is 26 right angle? 26 right angle means 26 times 90, we can say. First of all, the sum of interior angle of a polygon, it can be found by the formula n minus 2 times 180. So, is it okay? Okay. Is it possible to have 26 right angles means 26 times 90? So let us check if there is. How to check? By solving for n. N should not be a decimal. So first I can divide both sides by 180, and then what remain? N minus 2, which is, I can cancel the 0, and by 9 1, this by 9 2. So we have 26 over 2 means that is 13. So this will be 13, so shift 2 to the right side, so n is equal to 15. Yes, it's not a decimal number, so it is possible, and at the same time it's a 15 side polygon it will be. Yeah, question number 4 is solved. When you go to question number 5, one of the interior angle of a polygon is 100 and each of the other angles are 110. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, again, there is n side polygon. We don't know the number of sides. Let's say n side polygons. You know, obviously there will be n angles, but one of the angles is 100 plus the other angles are 110. That means 110 times n minus 1. Why we said times 110 times n minus 1? Because one of the angle is 100. If each angle are 100 times n, I can say, to know the sum of the angles. But this time each angle are not equal. Just one of the angle is 100, but the rest are equal. So what are the rest? n minus 1. Because if n side polygon we have, the total number of angles are n. But here one of the angle is 100, but the rest are equal. So 100 plus 110 times n minus 1. You need to be clear here what means n minus 1. It's the remaining angles. It must be n minus 1 because one angle is reduced here. It is 100. So this sum, it should give me this is 1 is equal to n minus 1 times 180 degree. You know, the sum of angles of interior angle of any polygon, it is this one. So what can I do now? I can simplify. I can cut 0, 0 and 0 from each side. The reason to simplify, we can divide by 10 by 10 by 10. That means, so 10 plus, I can multiply 11 with each of them. 11n minus 11 is equal to, again, 18 can multiply each of them. 18n minus 18. So let's bring 11 to the right side and 18 to the left side. So what do I have? 10 minus 11 plus 18 is equal to 18n minus 11n. When we reshuffle this one, when we take it to the right, it will be minus. So 7n is equal to, here it's negative 1, plus. So here we need to correct the formula. It must be n minus 2 here. The sum of interior angle of a polygon is n minus 2. So this one, when you multiply 18 times 2 will be 36. Therefore, let's correct it again. Let's reshuffle now. When we reshuffle, bring the 36. So 10 minus 11 plus 36 is equal to, this 11n will be taken there. So 18n minus 11n. Here it will be negative 1 plus 36 will be 35, which is equal to 7n. If you divide by 7 both sides, so n should be 5 sides. It's a 5-side polygon, which is pentagon. Okay, the last one here, it is the interior angles of a polygon are in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5 to 9 to 11. Find the measure of each angle. Is the polygon convex or concave, and why? It says, okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles are there. 5 angles means it's a hexagon, obviously. That means the total angle is 540 degree. That means I can give for each of them like x, x, x. So 2, 3, 5, 9. Okay, let's go on. Okay, 2x plus 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 11x. Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. Yeah, these are the angles. It should be equal to 540 to get x. So when you add it, 5, 5, 10, 19 plus 11, 30x, which is equal to 540 divided by 30 both side. Cut out. So x is equal to, cancel the 0, 54 divided by 3 will be 18. That means x. Now what are the angles? 2 to 3 to 5 to 9 to 11. So let's get each angle. This will be, you know, like we already gave them x, x for each. This x, x, and we got the x value, which is 18. 2 times 18 will be 36. 3 times 18 will be 54. 5 times 18 will be, you know, it's 90. And 9 times 18 will be 9 times 8, 72. We have 7, 162. and 11 times 18, that means 18 and 18, 891, 198. So it is concave hexagon, because one of the angle, as you see, it's greater than 180 degree, so it is concave. So the answer for question number 6 is a polygon convex or concave. It's concave. Why? Concave polygons, one of the angles should be, at least one of the angles should be greater than 180 degree. So it satisfies that condition. So that's the way how we can solve this question. I'll be back with the remaining questions.